Good morning, YouTubers. T-Square with T-Square Talks. Hope everybody's having a great day. I know I am filming this video right now at about 1:30 in the morning last night on Sunday night, or 1:30 in the morning, technically Monday morning, really early, only because I had already had my video done that I was going to air today, and then I said, you know what? I want to do a different video. One, because we're seeing an amazing pullback, I think. We are now under $30 silver. Will this last? I kind of wanted to talk a little bit about that. I wanted to show the prize options, since I had a few people ask me in the comments, what did Hillbilly Stock Picks win? I'm pretty sure it was Hillbilly Stock Picks. I need to go back and look. I wrote it down, but I don't have it with me right now. Needless to say, though, you can check out the live stream if you're interested in seeing how that went. It was a lot of fun. We had a great time last night. Gave away an awesome prize to number 21 was the final winner. So it's on the live stream. I got to go back and look. But a lot of fun, and I'll show you guys. So these were the two prize options. However, like I always say, essentially, if someone doesn't like that and they've seen something else that they like, they can let me know. That's something I deal with one-on-one. I just kind of put a couple prizes out there. These were, the slabs were left over from our 10,000 subscriber giveaway, and I only have one of this coin left. So if someone takes that, then I can't give that away next month. And whichever one basically doesn't go will go as the main prize in 2 or 3 weeks for the new month giveaway. And I can put whatever coin they want in here. This was just left over from a trip. These I have a couple of tubes of them. And then I've got a lot of other stuff too. So pretty cool coins. So for people that didn't see what the prizes were, because I foolishly did not show them, I regret that. Talking about silver today. Oh, before we go, so go check out that video if you want. Like I said, if anybody wants to become a member, it's only $1.99 a month. We do give away an ounce of silver minimum prize every month. Sometimes we do more, sometimes we do 1 ounce. With that being said, if you enjoyed the video, please take a quick minute, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me out. And jumping in, so silver having a huge pullback right now. By huge, is it really huge? You know, that's the first thing I want to say, because I got some comments in last night saying silver's going all the way down to $22. I don't think that's going to happen personally. I think that in a couple weeks we have our Fed meeting. I think when they don't lower interest rates again, that's going to raise some questions. Are we getting the carrot? What do I mean by the carrot? The carrot is something that you put out there as if you do what you're supposed to do, you'll get rewarded. I'll be honest, my son has teased me about the carrot for a long time. Why? Because I used to give him the carrot trick. Oh, well, if you had done this, I was going to do this. Or if this happens, we'll do this. Or if you do this, I'll give you that. And you know, as a parent, you know if a child is going to be able to accomplish something or not. And I'll be honest, to this day, he teases me about, oh, you were gonna. Or if I had done that, you would have done that. Or what if, you know. And, you know, the goals are high. And here's the thing. Realistically, let's be honest. The Fed can't lower interest rates. They can't raise interest rates. They're stuck in a box. We've talked about this time and time again. Right now, if the Fed raises interest rates, the banks are done. If the Fed lowers interest rates, inflation is going through the roof. And they're already eyeballing silver. What is going on with silver? Silver having a good pullback. Like I said, this pullback, could it be caused by a lot of people taking profit? Well, let's be honest for a minute. Silver's sitting at an 11-year high. A lot of investors that did buy silver are maybe willing to cash some of that silver out. What are they trading? They're trading paper silver. They're not using physical silver. It really doesn't matter what happens to the spot price of silver, Because the truth of the matter, in my opinion, we're seeing demand for physical continue to climb. It's just a matter of what the price is. Keep in mind, at the end of this month, a lot of short positions come due. Why? Because it ends the second financial quarter. So you have January, February, March, April, May, and June. So we are coming up on the halfway point, less than 30 days away, the halfway point for the year, or the end of the second financial quarter. There's a good chance we could continue to see it dip. However, what is going to happen when the Fed meeting comes out? The Fed is probably going to maintain rates right where they are, and they're probably going to come up with the simple answer of, we're still expecting to lower interest rates. However, we need to wait a few more months to verify that inflation is coming down. We don't want to lower interest rates too soon and then have it cause more of a problem. The truth of the matter is, in my opinion, they're not going to lower interest rates until closer to the election. Why? Because that's the time they need to do it, to give the political support to the current administration. With that being said, I'm not taking any political stance tonight or conversation on that. I'm just saying what I foresee might happen. Gains, we had a huge month last month. We had huge increase in silver for the month of May. And here we are now in June. We're seeing a little bit of a pullback. It's early in the month. Personally, I'm not at all worried about it. I had someone ask me tonight, you just bought all that silver at a higher price. You don't feel bad that now it's coming down? Nope, not at all. I bought it on a dip. It's still dipping. It does happen. And if it dips low enough, I'm really hoping that it will dip another couple dollars. I would love to be able to get another good deal on some silver. And when I say good deal, I mean I'd really like it to be under $30 an ounce if I'm lucky enough to get that. However, how long can the price keep coming down? I mean, some people are going to say it could plunge back down to $22. Like, I got a comment on that. If silver breaks below 26, it will blow my mind, because the lowest serious silver stacker that I'm friends with that actually reads charts said, his opinion, we're probably going to see $28 silver. Can't picture it going under 26. Most other people that I talk to that are silver stackers and serious about silver are saying we could see 28. Now, here's the thing. Maybe we could. A lot of people were saying we were going to see sub 20. We never quite saw it. We saw it go down to 21 and change. And anybody that was waiting for that magic number of $20 missed out. For that reason, I'm very cautious. With everybody saying 28, I don't think we're going to break 28. I think we may get into the high 28s. I don't believe, yawning. I paused it for a minute because I had a cough, and then I ended up yawning right after. Personally, I don't think I don't even know if we'll get into the 28s, but I think it's realistic to say that we could see a big push in paper that would drive it down. Really only 85 cents right now at this moment. 85 cents is doable. And what does that put us at? That puts us at a high 28 and high change. 28.99, 28.98, something like that. However, seeing it at 28 all the way to the bottom, at 28 flat, I don't know if that's going to happen. But let's think about this for a minute. At 28 flat, what are you still going to be able to pick up silver for? You're still probably going to pay over $30. Premiums are up. If silver takes too big of a hit too fast, people won't sell, which means you'll see companies shut down. If you think that's not possible for a minute, let's take a look back when silver plunged from $18 all the way down to $11. Every bullion company shut down. They all announced that they were not going to sell silver at $11 an ounce. They knew the numbers were BS. And a lot of us here in the room that are watching this video know, silver has value. And how low will it really go? I'm not convinced we'll ever see under 20 again. However, even though I picked up those ounces that you already seen me open up one big package, the other big package was going to be opened up for today's video, but then I wanted to do this video instead. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother me in the least. Right now, if I was to buy the same stuff right now, I might have saved 50 to 80 cents an ounce, maybe 75 cents, something like that. Could I have saved maybe $100? Obviously, I would have loved to have saved $100. I know some people out there will say it doesn't really matter because at the end of the day, the price of silver is going to be so much higher that what it's sitting at now, that 75 cents an ounce, doesn't matter. However, I look at it as $100. I could have picked up some more ounces with that $100. So obviously, every penny counts, in my opinion. With that being said, who knows? I don't think this dip is going to last super long. I think a lot of people are buying the dip right now. Most articles are going to tell you that's the reason we're not seeing any substantial fall, because there's a lot of people that are buying the dip, and there's a lot of paper traders that are selling, taking profits. But let's really think about what that does for a minute. When paper traders sell, it doesn't exactly put extra silver into the COMEX. In fact, it doesn't really do anything except for push the price lower. And what does lower prices do to the people that are actually really in silver? The true silver stackers. True silver stackers see the price dip. We buy more. Probably not enough to be able to raise the price. But hey, they're the ones that are lowering the price for us. So whatever happens in the next 2 weeks, I'm prepared to keep betting it because, this doesn't add up. Paper does not equal physical. And I know some people out there will say there's no such thing as a paper market and a physical market. However, I firmly believe that there is. And the reason I believe there is because no one will ever sell silver at spot. And we could see some crazy stuff happening as these two, spot and physical, shift even more further apart, with premiums going up as supply continues to dwindle. Now, be very careful, though. Do not get roped into some crazy premiums that are out there. That's why we talk a fair amount about premiums, because I don't want to see anybody end up buying silver at a high premium, $10 an ounce over spot. Look for stuff right now. If you can find something that's $3 or less over spot, you're doing good. The objective is get your silver as close to spot as you can. If you're selling your silver, I would not sell my silver for anything less than spot price. Reason I have to say that is I had something come up over the week, this past week, where somebody called me. Or they didn't call me, they emailed me and then said what a lot of businesses were wanting to buy his silver at, and he needed the money, had something come up, and they were offering $3 or $4 back. And I actually called up a couple of the dealers in Las Vegas because I said, no way. And sure enough, I got some crazy answers. Nobody wanted to pay over $30. Because they foresaw the possibility of it coming down. With that being said, spot price is $30 right now. So maybe they made the right call. Maybe they were trying to take advantage of the person and they were also trying to cover their butt. Who knows? I look at the spot price if I'm going to sell something, and there's no way, no matter what happened, that I would part with any of my silver for under spot. And I hope other people take that to heart, because you can take out an ad on Facebook probably or eBay and you're going to have no hard time selling your silver at spot. Obviously, if you've got the buyers may not be right beside you, but at the end of the day, there are a lot of people out there that are looking to buy, especially if they can pick up stuff at spot. You just need to look for those people. That's why it's good to build those groups ahead of time, like I've mentioned before. I do want to do a video where I talk a little bit about how to drum up, how to build your own group. It's something I've practiced with multiple times and continue to add people to mine. I'm very selective on who I help out, who I meet up with. Anybody's welcome to watch on eBay. Anybody's welcome to watch here on YouTube. But for me to be sitting in front of you, I'm very selective with the people that I talk with, meet with. Even though people know, hey, he's the coin guy. I had a lot of people ask me that. I actually met up with someone while he was doing an interview, and someone said that, hey, you're the coin guy, right? And I said, yeah. So it's kind of a little embarrassing. But it's, it is what it is. So with that being said, I thank you all for watching. Let's hope for, I'm not going to lie, I'm hoping to see a good pullback. I'd like to put a little more money in some silver, but I really want a good deal. And it won't matter down the road, but it will matter for me. So I'd rather have more for my money. So thank you all for watching. I will see you guys again. Have a great package opening for you guys tomorrow. Should everything play out. If you would like to consider becoming a member, please check out the live stream that I did last night. And I go into it a little bit there. It is $1.99 a month to join, but we always give away something free, so it is fun. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment because I love to hear your thoughts. And thank you to the couple new members that did just join, and thank you to all the current members that are members. This is the only time of the month that I usually talk about it while I'm doing the big giveaway. So take care, everybody, and have a great one. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow on T-Square Talk. Take care, everybody. Well, I'll probably have some shorts up tonight, but take care, everybody. Bye-bye.